All right, today is May 24th, 2016. Right now at 9 a.m. in the foothills of Los Angeles, we have a temperature of 56 degrees. The relative humidity is 75%. The barometer is reading 29.96, and the dew point is 48 degrees, and it is overcast right now. And we have a heavy marine layer that's covering the area. All right, well, so we're watching the Northeast Pacific water vapor loop right now, and we can see that we have a counterclockwise spinning system here. This is really nothing at all. It's got a transmitter on top of it. We can see the outline right here, and that also is going to separate this system, this incoming gale force system, from merging with this right here. We've got a couple of troughs indicated over the west coast. We'll take a look at that. We can see that that high pressure in between these two systems is maintaining separation so that these do not merge at some point. Also, we have some thunderstorm activity down here off of Mexico. See that? And let's go to the next map here. We have the jet stream, half a map today. Some of that flow is moving right into Southern California. Most of it is going into Baja, Mexico. All right, next we have the surface analysis map. We can see the this gale here, which is moving to the southeast right here. And then this high pressure that was parked has moved somewhat. It's weakened a little bit. We've got a high on both sides of this gale force system, which is moving down to the southwest. We have also a trough, low pressure right over Southern California right here. There's a trough there, and then we have a huge trough moving all the way up and down the northwest United States, all the way up into Canada, quite a ways actually. Okay, so there was some light rain possibly in the forecast, possibly, but that's not happening right now. Okay, here is the western U.S. water vapor loop, and we can see a thunderstorm right over the central plains right here. This is being blown apart. We're going to take a look at that up close. There's a blast pattern showing up here all the way around that entire system. We'll take a look at that here right now. And we can see this gale force system moving in. We may be nice to get some rain. Okay, here's the infrared loop for the western U.S. And we can see some outflow here from the high pressure that's been installed to maintain separation. All right, let's take a look now at the central plains. We can see that this is the water vapor map. We can see that system. Right here we can see some pressure waves moving out to the southwest direction. We can also see a blast pattern right there on the last couple of frames. Okay, let's look at the this here is the infrared loop. And we can see water vapor and a lot of violent activity happening right down here from that impact. This is being hit probably with a laser, or probably more likely with microwave. We're not exactly sure, but it is definitely being hit. Let's take a look at this now in the visible light mode. We can really see some detail here today. The general flow of all of this weather is to the east, and as we can see here, there's a lot of activity shooting out to the west. We stop this, and we'll just scroll through. Notice all the overlay they have here. They've photoshopped this in the very beginning stages of this sequence. We can see that right here, the very beginning sequence, we can see that there is a blast wave that develops. They've got this all overlaid with got it photoshopped. And right here we can see the blast pattern already developing, the pressure wave on that north east side. Right here we can see a pretty well developed ring right there. As we continue, and then we have the night to day transition right here. We'll see some pretty good detail right down here, and also there's a dimple mark right here and right here. And we see all this water vapor and shooting out of the southwest. Okay, so let's just run this, and we can see the full sequence. They hit that lower left corner, that south west corner, in several places, and that destroys the organization of the storm by superheating it. And they're doing this probably with either microwave or laser, and we're not exactly sure, but one thing is clear is that this is definitely a man-made intervention. Let's go ahead and right there. Right here, this is the evidence right here and over here. And as we scroll through these frames, these marks expand out like craters. They're craters that expand. Right here, right here. It's a mark right there. Then we see the blast pattern. Okay, so that is the summary. This is a short summary today, quick update. And we will do another update probably tomorrow. Okay, that's it.